Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 63 of Building the Batmobile from the classic 1966 TV series. In this issue, we're doing a little bit of building with a car, as you can guess, because that's pretty much what this is all about. But first of all, we're going to look through the magazine. We've got episode 63, obviously, because we're on magazine 63. This is still season 2, and they're still showing daily. Strange to me that they did a serial that was daily. So this is Catwoman. But there you go. Julie Newman. Newmar, in fact. I don't know who she is, but there you go. She's obviously Catwoman. There we go. It's the one with a dynamic duo are caught in a hideous echo chamber. Well, they are. There we go. Batman 94 in 93. One that broke the bat. So there we go. This is what we've got. We've got the trunk compartment, the fuel tank filler cap. I think we had that before. Yeah, we're fitting that to the trunk and then fitting the trunk compartment to the trunk. That's that. It should be fairly straightforward, fairly easy. I've looked ahead, and the next few are not using the main car assembly itself either. We're doing like sub-assemblies. So I'll get this done, and then we'll put the car out of the way for now and continue next time. So let me clear this out of the way and get straight to it. So this is what we've got. The large trunk compartment, 3 types of screws. AP I'm going to be using to attach this filler cap built before to there. Just like that. That's quite easy. 2 of those screws will hold that together. Screwdriver for that. They just go in underneath. Nice and easy. That one there. That one in that side. It's 61, so a couple of weeks back that we did that one. So there we go. That's that attached to there. We don't need that anymore. We do need these 2 that we're going to be using, mainly AM, 4 of them, and 2 CM. Let's get those out before I get the whole car together. 4 of those. 2 those. Come on. In there? That's very strange. There should be more than 2 in a packet. They normally give you a spare. Strange. Better not lose any of them. So this is being fitted to the car itself, and move things out of the way a little bit. There we go. This is where it's going onto the rear there, just like that. Really nice and easy. So we've got 2 screws there for that side, 2 on the other side, the same, and the CM ones go at the back here. That should be about there. Get that lined up. It's a bit dark. Angle things a little bit to get a little bit more light in the right place. There we go. That one there. One there. All in a bit and then tighten them all up afterwards. That's the best way of doing screws. Make sure everything lines up properly. There. And yeah, needs to be pinged out a little bit to get that on there. Feel like that's locating quite right. There we go, that's better. And the same on the other side. Again, I'm going to start with the one closest to fit here to make sure it lines up. And that's not lining up quite right. Out a little bit as well. There you go. Better. And then the last one. Pull it out a little bit just to get that lined up in the right place on there. Don't know if this has got slightly distorted in delivery, but it's not a problem to get it lined up properly now. So there we have it. The trunk attached. No, that wasn't. I didn't get that lined up properly. Try that again where I can actually, hopefully, that lined up. There we go. That seems better. Right, I'll get all of those tightened up. But that is that installed. So yes, now I can move this back out of the way and do the other stuff just on its own. So thank you for watching. Stay safe. I shall see you for more very, very soon. Bye bye for now.